Hello students, welcome to class 5th mathematics. Today we will study the concept of multiplication of fractional number. Now we have first concept is there, that is multiplication of fractional number by a whole number. Now in this concept we will multiply the fraction by a whole number. That you better know that's how we can multiply the things. The same process you will follow here. Now let us suppose I have an example is there, 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2. So this is 1 upon 3 is a fraction number, and we will multiply this fraction number by a whole number. Now it's quite easy to solve 1 by 3 multiplied by 2. Now how will you do that one? You will write the solution. After that you will write 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2. Now one thing you should keep in mind, that every whole number, every whole number has its denominator is 1. So you can write 2 as a 2 upon 1. So now we have 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 1. So equal to, what you will do, you have to multiply numerator with the numerator, 1 multiplied by 2. Right? After that you will multiply denominator by the denominator. So you will write 3 multiplied by 1. Now after that, what is there in numerator? 1 multiply 2. What is answer? 2. And what is in denominator? 3 multiply 1. What is answer? 3. So when you multiply 1 upon 3 by 2, you will get the product 2 upon 3. Now let us take another example. I have another example there, 5 upon 8 multiplied by 9. Okay, you will just write down the solution, write down the question again, 5 upon 8 multiplied by 9. Okay, it is a whole number, so every whole number has denominator is 1. So write 9 as a 9 upon 1. Now after that, what you will have to do, you will multiply numerator by the numerator. Okay, you will multiply numerator by the numerator, because here you have to read like this way, 5 multiply 9. So you will write 5 multiply 9. Now underline it. Okay, now read the denominator part, 8 multiply 1. You write it, 8 multiply 1. Now in the numerator, what is there? 5 multiply 9. So what's the answer? 5 9 are the 45. Now in the denominator, 8 multiply 1. So what is the answer in the denominator? 8 1 are the 8. Okay, so product is 45 upon 8. Now well students, now it is improper fraction, right? It is improper fraction. If there is any improper fraction, then you can change it into mixed number. Now how you can change it? You know how the improper fraction can be changed. 8 4 5 are the 40. So 5 is remainder. So or you can say your answer is 5 whole 5 upon 8. Right? Now let us suppose I have another question is there, 49 multiply by 7 whole 1 by 7, 1 by 7. 7 whole 1 by 7. Now if there is a such type of question is there, so how you can solve that one? Now it's a 49 multiply by 7 whole 1 by 7. right? It is the question. Now, what I said earlier, that is whenever we have a mixed number is there, that means you have to change this mixed number into improper fraction. So 49 upon 1, because 49 is a whole number, so every whole number has denominator is 1. So after that we have sign is multiplication sign is there, and now convert this 7 are the 49, 7 multiplied by 7 49, and this numerator will be added, so 50. Your answer is 50 upon 7. Now again it's a similar to question number 1. Now it's a similar to this type of question. Just see that it's a similar one, right? So after that what you have to do now, just look at here, that is what is there, 49 multiplied by 50, 49 multiplied by 50 upon 1 multiply 7, 1 multiplied by 7. Okay, now next we can reduce the fraction into lowest term also. Okay, you can reduce it or you can make the lowest term. Now just see that over here in the numerator 49 it is 7. Now remember it is this line, it is represented a division symbol. Okay, it's a division line, means you can read it as 49 divided by 7 also, or 49 divided by 1, because both 1 multiply 7, 1 and 7 they divided 49 and 50 also. Now which table this 49 and 7 will be occur, or another way, which is the common number by which table these 7 and 49 कम, कोई ऐसा कॉमन नंबर जिसके टेबल में 7 और 49 आते हैं। और अगर आपको ये भी समझ नहीं आया तो फिर ऐसा कोई नंबर जिससे ये 49 और 7 डिवाइड हो जाते हैं। तो 7 1 आर द 7, 7 7 आर द 49, 49 भी 7 के टेबल में आता है और 7 भी 7 के टेबल में आता है। मीन्स 49 और 7 ये दोनों 7 से डिविजिबल हैं। तो when we divide this 7 by 7 you will get 1, and when we divide 49 by 7 you will get 7. So 49 when divided by 7 you will get 7 here, you will write here, and this 7 when divided by 7 you will get 1 here. Okay, so after that what is left now? 7 multiplied by 50, 1 multiply 1. So what is the answer? 7. Now multiply it. 7 multiply 50, 350, 1 multiply 1, 1. So your answer product is 350. Let us take another one more question. Now 100 multiply by 3 whole 1 by 3. Solution. Write down the question again. 3 whole 1 upon 3. 3 whole 1 upon 3. So convert this mixed number into improper fraction. You will write 100 as 100 upon 1. Multiply. Now convert the mixed into improper fraction. Will 10 upon 3. Now 100 multiply 10. Write it in numerator. In denominator 1 multiply 3. 100 multiply 10, sorry, it is 100 multiply 10. Now is there any number which have the common factor? ऊपर और नीचे कोई ऐसा नंबर ढूंढिए जो किसी नंबर से दोनों डिवाइड हो जाते हैं। नो, 10 it is divisible by 10, 100 it is divisible by 2, 10, 20, 50, 25, etc. So 3, it is divisible by 3 only. So 3 से ही डिवाइड होता है और ऊपर वाला कोई भी नंबर 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है. और remember it, don't try to divide 100 by 10 because here we have the symbol of multiplication. ये 100 और 10 जो है वो मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, ये आपस में डिवाइड नहीं होते हैं, डिवाइड होते हैं ऊपर और नीचे, राइट. ऊपर और नीचे वाले किसी कॉमन नंबर से डिवाइड हो जाते हैं. नाउ 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, 1 मल्टीप्लाई 3, so multiply it. 110 are the 1000 upon 3. Okay, so it is an improper fraction, so improper fraction is there. So what will be the answer? You will find the mixed number of that one. 333 whole 1 upon 3, that is the answer. In the same way, I have one more question, that is 3 whole 1 by 10 now. Now it is the question of from your book, E part question is there. So solution, again you can here 3 whole 1 upon 10 equal to, you will write 100 upon 1 multiply by, now convert into improper fraction, 31 upon 10. Now 100 multiply 31, denominator 1 multiply 10. Now 100 and 10 both are divisible by a common number. किस नंबर से दोनों डिवाइड हो जाते हैं? कॉमन नंबर से, 10 से. If you divide this 10, if you divide this 10 by 10, you will get 1, so you will write 1 here. And 100, if you divide 100 by again 10, because this 10 is the common number for both 100 and 10, so you will get 10, so you will write here 10. Now what is left? 10 multiplied by 31 and 1 multiply 1, so your answer is 31 10 are the 310, that is the product of the fraction, two given fraction number. Thank you and have a nice day.